Well folks, Customer Appreciation Week begins today, Monday, June 14th, runs through Saturday, June 19th. We have 25% off all of our plant material. All the herbs, vegetables, flowers, we have perennials, natives, all of the berries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, goji berries, elderberries. We have figs also. Fill in some holes, add to the garden. Again, 25% off all plant material. Got some things that are already potted up, a whole bunch of different hot peppers and sweet peppers for you as well. Come on out, large pots of basil, some potted color as well. Look forward to seeing you at the farm for 25% off all of your plant material, as well as when you spend $50 this week, you spin the wheel and get yourself a prize also. Monday through Saturday, we look forward to seeing you at the farm.